Open enrollment begins on Saturday, and Capitol Bureau Chief Greg Newman has you covered on what you can expect for year 2 of Obamacare.
There should be no sticker shock for people who bought policies on the exchange last year, as premium and deductible prices are comparable for 2015.
58-year-old Sue Savoy is self-employed, and her daughter says she never thought much about the private health insurance plans she purchased each year.
And never really used it. She doesn't really go to the doctor, and she ended up being hospitalized just last month and realized how woefully underinsured she really was.
A back injury left Sue wishing she had paid more attention to exactly what she was covered for.
She knew she had insurance. She walked in there with an insurance card, not realizing that she would get stung with what will probably end up being in the $40,000 to $50,000 range after insurance.
That's why Sue's daughter is now comparing plans and prices on healthcare.gov, so she's ready to go when open enrollment begins on Saturday.
Obviously, you want to find the happy medium of manageable deductibles and out-of-pockets, manageable premiums, and that's kind of what we're shooting for.
For the average Dane County consumer, we're going to see costs that are about the same as last year, depending on if you get a tax credit or not.
Healthcare advocates like Citizen Action of Wisconsin say it's even a good idea for someone who already has a plan from the exchange to do more than simply renew it.
It is absolutely worth going once again to healthcare.gov and compare the plans, because you might get a new tax credit, there might be new options.
Last year's enrollment period started as a nightmare, something Lisa hopes has been fixed.
It seems much more navigable than I've heard it was in the past, so I'm hoping that we'll have better luck this year.
As we mentioned, Dane County rates are comparable to last year, but Kevin Kane with Citizen Action of Wisconsin says they are still about 30% higher than they are in the Twin Cities. Prices in Milwaukee are about 66% higher than Minneapolis-St. Paul.